Hey guys, exciting day to go to the office. We just got a special package from Spain and I can't wait to open it up with you. This package is from TIERRA Audio, a new partner that has joined our mixanalog family. I'm super excited. Let's open. I think I'll start here. I really don't want to damage this. I've seen it already in the pictures and it's a really amazing piece of equipment. The visuals are really stunning. Can't wait for you guys to see it. Here we are, TIERRA Audio, pure analog, pure digital. Okay, let's see what's inside. Cool. Nice wooden box. Let's take it out. Oh wow. Look at this logo here. Seems to be burned in. Wow, really cool. Okay, let's open the box. So this is the compressor. It's a stereo VCA. Wow, the finish is really nice. Something like, I think it's cherry wood. So here we have the Gravity VCA compressor. It's very simple controls, pretty standard for VCA compression. First up is threshold. The feel of the knob is really nice. Not too hard, not too easy. Feels really solid. And the next one's ratio. You can pick between 2, 4, and 10. Yeah, nice solid switch here. And then up, attack. I really like these graphics here. I don't think you can actually see it on the photos. This is actually 3D, so it's like engraved in. So it goes from slow, which is the tortoise symbol, all the way to fast, being a bunny. It's really cool. Same goes for release over here, except it has also the auto mode as the first one before the slow one. And the last one here is makeup gain. Really important one. This is where you set the volume after you've compressed your signal. Then we have two toggles here. The first one, self-evident, bypass, puts the VCA out of the signal path. And the second one is high-pass filter sidechain. So this one will make the VCA compressor react less to the bass frequencies. Really cool if you have a heavy kick going on and you don't want it to pump too much. We also have a gain reduction meter here. It goes from no compression over here at 0 all the way to 20 dB of compression over here. So this is the Gravity VCA compressor. I'm super happy that we got it. And I can't wait to put it up with the rest of the gear into mixanalog.